Alright, language explorers, so let's look at this Sunday preposition. So as far, as for, so with regards to or concerning something. I will talk to them, but I will talk with him, but as for them, I won't, yeah. I will go to Wales, but as for Ireland, I need to wait. I have been to Scotland, but as for France, I have not been there in years. Yeah. She has some ideas, but as for him, he does not have many. She has some ideas, but as for her, she doesn't have many. Yeah. I have a plan, but as for him, he does not. I have a plan, but as for him, he does not. Yeah. She will be there, but as for them, they won't be. But yeah. So without this tool, it cannot work. But as for that idea, we don't need it. We don't need this tool. Yeah. So we need the tool for this idea, but as for that idea, we don't. How cool is that? Yeah. So as for that tool, I could not find it. Yeah. As for that place, I thought it was too far. It was too far, so I did not go there. Yeah. They're planning to drive. As for the others, they will walk. Yeah. I will walk up the mountain, but as for them, they need to wait. I walk up the mountain, but as for them, they need to wait. How cool is that? He will only go there. As for them, they did not go there. See, I will go there, but as for her, she won't. Yet, as for them, they will go with me. So, I will go up this mountain. As for them, they will go with me. But as for her, she will not. Yeah. So with regards to concerning something, I found this, but as for them, they found nothing. I found this cool book, but as for them, they found nothing. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use as for in a sentence? Can you comment below with it? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And on Udemy too, when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.